Did you know that in Kittl you can actually share a private project link, which is great for if you're working with clients? I'm going to show you exactly how to set up that link, where to get it, and how to send it right now. So here we are. I have an edited design from a bookmark design that I used earlier. I've changed it a little bit to say Evening Peaks, premium hiking tour, Scotland Highlands. And so what we want to do is share this with maybe a client or someone else that wants to edit. Now you could download it, of course, like a PNG or something. But what you can actually do is share a copy of this project. So you see here, you can publish it to the community, which just makes it a regular template. But the one we want is share a copy of your project. So if I click down on this, you can see people with the link will get an editable copy of your project. Okay, so you can also insert their email address. But if you just click copy link, it'll take a second and basically duplicate it, copy it to your clipboard so that you can share it with your clients, friends, or whoever else. And just so you're clear, no one else has access to this design link except the person that you send the link to. So it's not a published project like you would normally publish it and then all of the Kittl community can see it. If you're using that copy link, that project copy link, then only the people that you give it to will have access to a copied version of that project. They're not going in and editing what you've already set up. They're just getting a copy of your project. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.